Hello guys. Are you struggling to remove backgrounds from your images? Then don't worry. Now you can remove image backgrounds online with ZapBG easily. So, today we are sharing a ZapBG online image background remover review. So, let's check out the review. ZapBG is AI and ML powered background remove online software, which helps you to remove background from your images quickly and easily online. Now you don't need to hire, spend dollars or depend upon graphic designer, or even use complex editing software like Photoshop. ZapBG Features. 1. Brush. Use the brush to manually select certain objects in your selection over other objects very easily. 2. Undo, redo, made a mistake. ZapBG allows you to undo and redo your selections and go back and forth. 3. Change background. Why go back to Photoshop to add a background? Use ZapBG to instantly change background color. 4. Plus, minus, allows you to select and deselect areas to give you finer control over your selection. 5. Auto Clip. Auto Clip removes the background for you using AI technology that has been trained on millions of images. ZapBG Pros. Auto remove using advanced AI, easy manual remover, social sharing, access to feature updates, customer support, 30-day money-back guarantee and up to 98% discount. ZapBG Cons. Bulk background remover, stickers, auto resize etc. But these features are updated in future soon, stated by ZapBG. ZapBG Future Update. Bulk background remover, stickers, auto resize, refine edges, advanced hair removal, and most important video background remover. Who can use ZapBG? ZapBG is perfect for marketers, designers, photographers, or anyone who need to remove backgrounds quickly and easily on go. ZapBG pricing. 1. Regular $19.99 per month. 2. Lifetime deal up to 98% off starting $49. Limited time offer by now. If you really want to speed up your editing workflow, then go grab the ZapBG with ongoing offer, and don't regret afterwards. Link in the description. Hope this review helped you in any way. Having questions, query, or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching, see you in next video.